let's... Being cold will limit your vitality. Speaking from experience, no the fuck it doesn't. Yeah, well anyway. Okay, and... Kelvin, how are you? Oh, hi buddy. Was there medicine in there? No. That would be very helpful right about now. Okay. Yesterday I was over here, and the map thing was going off. Maybe if I go down to the shore over here. Maybe if I eat an energy bar, that would be good. Strunk. Not much strunk. Okay, my theory is there's another cave on the shore here somewhere. It's only a theory because I have nothing telling me that, but yeah, fine. Just take a breather. Anything in here of any use?
Nope.
No. Can I eat a starfish? Probably not. I feel like you can't. Kelvin is the slowest comrade I've ever had in a game. It's fine though. Busted ass trees. Busted ass trees. That's all I will see. This isn't a song, so it won't last long. Where the hell am I? Have I come up a different bit? I think I did. Well. Best press on, eh, lads? Yeah. This is a path, though. Oh. Some more flares. Very good. Medicine! Yes! Pop them pills, boy. Press on, then. Any of you randos want to come and test me tonight, or what? You copped enough fire last night, did you, huh? Bad. Oh, somebody yelled. Yeah, right. Something's moving. Ah! Didn't think I'd see you there, huh? Leroy! Well, he sets it on fire. This girl is on fire. Good. Continue. I'm gonna head out, boys. Here. What do I hear? Something. I think the thing is that staying alive is ideal. It's only an opinion, and I will take other options, but... What's this? Boxes. Very specific boxes. It's a hot dog. So I'm following a path again. I keep finding things along paths, so I feel like that's a solid plan. What have I located here? What's this? Is that a... There's some people over there. Something's up with those people though, isn't there? Are they walking around on all fours, or is... Do they have more than fours? I'll find out. Okay, I'm just gonna... Real quick. Have a little sippy drink. Mmm, delightful. Crash. Oh no. It's one of those friggin' fingered things. Bro, I need you to not attack me. Yeah, that's definitely more than 4, right? This is like a double person. It's a McDouble! Where did the multi-armored person go? Over here. I hate how the rabbits make like the same amount of noise as human. Or not human necessarily, but humanoid. Shut up, you stupid squirrel. Yeah, these, handy fingery weirdos. You see? You like... Oh, this is gonna go poorly. I'm gonna set you alight, and you're gonna run. Yeah.
Surprise, mother...
Yeah, I see him, Kelvin. Thank you. Okay, this guy, is made up of more than one person. That seems like an unfair fight. And he doesn't flinch at fire. Well, that's really not very helpful to me. Oh, I'm nearly back at... I have a sleepy boy spot here. Seagulls, it is night time. You don't fly. I'm gonna go and have a sleep at the cave over here. The battery just lasts 4 yonks. Okay. So, the problematic point I faced right there.
What?
I'm gonna run with this out instead. Yeah. That's right. That's right. Fear me. Okay, can I have a sippy of the water? Yes. Good. Good. That's terribly delightful. Yes. Good. Aww. The orcas. They have died. That's uncool. Ooh, what are these? No, I have big rock. Hey, inflatable boats. Hey. I'm beginning to think this boat was sabotaged. Yes, more medicine! Oh, thank goodness. I was beginning to think, well, death. Aha! Another camp. Hey! Well, we bring out the fire torch. I wonder, what are the odds I can kill one with a... I gotta try. I'm gonna kill it with, right? I'm gonna try and kill it with the tree. Ah! Okay, so that one snuck up on me. Oh, you dick. Yeah. Yeah, well now you're on fire, so now what? Yeah. Hey, you feel silly right now, don't you? Yeah. I feel so big and tough when you're on fire because none of us really do. Like, he's still acting like he's being burnt, but he's not. Yeah, well, you started that one. I wonder... Let's just... Because it's like, G to throw... Yeah, okay. Hey, you. Come here. I want to see if I can yeet a log at you and it hurts. Oh, yeah? How about this? Oh, see now you're just too close. Amazing tuck and roll, bro. Just... Where do those sticks come from? Let's just quickly pop one of those.
Bruh.
What? Oh, that's just... No, I have no idea... Okay. How I died. Seems quite uncool. I'm under what? What? That's, bad. They just, like, tethered me to something and threw me underwater. These dudes are hardcore.